Okay, so let's start creating our PDF book. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it, and I'm gonna show you some neat tricks which you can add some YouTube videos or links to your site and so on. So let's begin. First thing, what you wanna do, you're gonna press templates. Here, you're gonna type in PDF, and you can select from a lot of templates already pre-made. As you can see here, it shows how many pages do you have. You can select for anything you like. Some are pro and some are free versions. As you can see, here is no pro sign and here is pro sign. So let's begin. So first thing, we want to have book cover. When the people open the book, open PDF, you're gonna see interactive for this example. Second, we have table of content. We're gonna connect to all the pages we have. So for introduction, we're gonna press second mouse. We're gonna press link, and we're gonna link it third page. Done. As you can see, I have named my pages, so it's easier for me to mark it. You can do it at really easy, just pressing here and press here, and you can rename the page name. Second, we're gonna do same for free IE voice generator. We're gonna again press link, and we're gonna link it to number 4. All right, so we're gonna do for the rest of them. After we're done, we're gonna edit our book. So what it makes interactive, first thing, as I showed you before, it's buttons. So let's do back button so people can go back and forth. We're gonna move it here to save time. For all the pages, you can press Ctrl C and copy to all the pages. As you can see, it directly goes to all the same spot. And we're gonna do forward button. All right, we're gonna add this button. I'm gonna do it like this. And again, to save time, we press Ctrl C, press on the page, and as you can see, it's in the same spot. So now how to make those buttons interactive. It's really easy. So what you want to do, now as you remember, we linked all the pages. So if person press here, it goes to this page. If person press how to use Canva, it's open this one. We're gonna do similar thing. So for the back button, we're gonna do link, and we're gonna link it to the page before, and done. And for forward button, we're gonna do same, but to number 4, link again, and number 4, done. All right, we're gonna do for all the pages. All right, so as you can see, we did for all the pages. Now if people press, we go to the back behind page, forward page. So that's covered. That's really easy to do. So now how to embed a video or the link to your site. what you want to do, first I'm going to show you how to do YouTube video. I found some neat trick which helps to save some time, not making pictures, not screenshotting. So what you want to do, you're going to go to apps, type YouTube link, and you want to enter your video of YouTube. So what you're going to do, you're going to do like this, copy watch and your video name, just the end of the link. You press it like this. So now you have this one. But if people press it here, the video doesn't open. So what you want to do, you want to go back to elements, type in watch now, add this button, and on this button you press link, and now you copy a whole video link. You enter here, done. It fixes, adds HTTPS. You press done, and now when people press here watch now, it's open video for them when we open PDF book. So let's do for all the pages. Same again, easy blur effect. We go to apps, we enter YouTube, we enter our link, we add the video. Again, we going to elements, we add watch button, and on watch button we press link, and now we copy all the link for the YouTube. We press done, it fixes, we press done, and it's done. So now let's do for the rest of them. Now to save time, we can always copy this one. Just don't copy the link. So as you can see here, it has link. This one have a link, and this one doesn't have. So we press second mouse, we press link, and we copy full link of the video. Done, done. Now we have it. Again, we're doing same for how to use. Now we know how to add the link for the YouTube. You can add for your web page, you can create an image of your web page and press click here to subscribe or to watch the latest news and stuff like that. So the PDF interactive book is finished. We added the pages, we added a back and forward button, we added video with the thumbnail, we saved some time without screenshotting. It seems like we pressing on YouTube. So now the time is to download it. We press share, we go to downloads, we select PDF, and we download the PDF. After PDF is downloaded, we double click it, we open it, and now we have interactive. As you can see, we press introductions, it goes to introductions, press back, it goes back. If we go free AI voice, it goes here. Keep forward, it goes forward. We press back, it goes back. Now if you press watch, it straight away opens the video we want to watch. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. If you like my content, please follow me and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below, and see you next time.